This is how you can clear something from a picture or video. If you've taken a picture or video and there are elements you don't want in the picture or the video, at the end of this video, you will learn how you can easily erase them. If you are a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you are welcome. Let's get started. To achieve this, we'll be using an app. This app is a video and photo editor. Install this app, open it, give the necessary permissions and agree to the terms and conditions for this app to function very well. If there's any unwanted element in your video or photo, you can use this app to erase them. Agree, agree. Next, we are moving to photo. Select the photo you want to edit. Allow. Here it is. This is the photo. I want to remove these objects. Select eraser. This is eraser. You can select the range. Just toggle here. You can select the range from here and tap on the item you want to remove from the picture or the video. Just tap on the element you want to remove and it is gone. This is how you can remove or clear or edit anything from a picture or video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.